Hello, and welcome to our video tutorial on the Hobbies Crafts Reference Center database. This is the screen you will reach after navigating to the database from the library's home page. From this screen, you can browse by category, which is helpful when you want general information, or browse by popular sources. In this tutorial, we're going to focus on utilizing this database for search. The default on the main screen of the database is basic search, but we're going to use advanced search. There are many tools available from the advanced search screen. For example, add a row or delete a row up to 12 rows for your search needs. You can also search by choosing a search field. This is the drop-down which lists all the possible fields available through this database. We can also utilize Boolean operators. Let's focus on these for just a moment. When running a search containing multiple concepts, Boolean operators can help optimize your search. When running a search with just one term, it doesn't matter what other terms are involved, it will always find every document containing that search term. However, connecting your search terms with the AND operator will limit your results to only those documents containing both terms. The OR operator, on the other hand, will give you those containing both terms or just one or the other of the terms. And finally, the NOT operator will only retrieve documents which do not contain the second term, the term that comes after the NOT. In this example, this search would be for crochet, not knit. Let's run a search utilizing what we've just learned. Let's say we wanted a pattern, either knit or crochet, that involved dolphins. Our search might look something like this. We see here that this search retrieved 135 results. While 135 is fairly decent, there is a way we can optimize our search results even better. Let's use truncation. Using a truncation symbol, in this case an asterisk, tells the system to search for other variations of our search terms. Let's add it here after knit, so it'll search for knitting and other variations, and after crochet for the same reason. We'll skip adding one on dolphin because this system automatically searches for plurals, but we will add one on pattern so that it searches for patterned or patterns. Here we see that running our modified search expanded our results to 153. It also gave us a more relevant result. With this result, we can click PDF full text to get a view of exactly what the article is. This database is an excellent resource because it contains PDF images for many different hobbies. In this case, a full pattern for a crocheted dolphin toy with a ball. Returning to our list of results, we see that there are several here that don't seem to quite fit what we were going for. With the limiters on the left-hand side of the page, we can limit our results based on certain criteria. We can limit it by subject, or publication, or other limiters. Looking at the subject list, I see machine knitting. This is not what we're going for, so let's go back up to our search and modify it to exclude machine knitting. After adding a line, we'll change our Boolean operator to not and type in machine. This should exclude any article or document which uses the word machine. Running this search, we see that our results have been narrowed down to 30, and the results seem much more relevant. This has just been a brief overview of some of the possible options available on this database. For more search tips and strategies, you can click the Help up at the top right and visit the Help section for EBSCO databases. You are also welcome to visit the library's homepage under the Contact to see other ways to contact a librarian, both online, by phone, or just come in person. We're happy to help you. Thank you.